In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Meta Business Suite not sending messages. If your inbox isn't delivering replies or new messages won't send, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you quickly rule out common issues and get messaging working again. First, start with a simple refresh. If you're on the web, click the refresh icon in your browser or press F5 on your keyboard. This forces the page to reload your current session and can clear up temporary glitches that block messages from sending. If you're in the mobile app, navigate back to the inbox and reopen it so the page fully reloads. Next, clear your cache. Old cached files can conflict with newer versions of Meta Business Suite and cause unexpected behavior. In your browser, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and choose the option to clear cache. You only need to clear cached images and files. You don't have to remove cookies or save passwords if you don't want to. If you're using the app, clearing the app cache from your device settings can have the same effect by removing outdated temporary data that may be interfering with the inbox. Now, confirm you have the right permissions on the page or asset you're managing. Open Settings, then go to Page Access. Make sure your role grants admin or full control. If your access is limited, you won't be able to send messages on behalf of the page. This is a built-in safeguard. No permission means no messaging, so it's critical to verify your role before troubleshooting anything else. If the issue persists, try a different device or browser. Switch from Chrome to Edge or open the phone app if you are on desktop. Testing in another environment helps you isolate whether the problem is tied to the device or browser you are using or if it's a broader account issue. Make sure you're signed into the same account when you test so you're comparing apples to apples. Finally, log out and log back in. Sign out of your account completely, wait a few seconds, and then sign in again. This refreshes your session and clears minor authentication hiccups that can stop messages from sending even when everything else looks fine. To recap, refresh the page, clear your cache, verify your page permissions, try another device or browser, and then log out and back in. Following these quick checks in order usually resolves message sending problems without any extra tools. If you're still stuck after all of that, it's likely a broader platform issue and may resolve on its own shortly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets your inbox back on track.